Hey there YouTube, got a quick update video for you guys. I am modifying this UPS. It is a APC Smart UPS 750. So it's not new and shiny, but it's good. Even has the network card there. But what I did is soldered in new 10 gauge negative wire. I used the little clip or short stub that goes from the between the two batteries. Normally there's two of these little yellow ones. What I did is I cut that off and soldered some 10 gauge on, because I don't have crimps that wide, you know, because it's very wide, wider than these normal ones. So it's got the original 60 amp fuse there, and it goes into another piece of 10 gauge, and that runs around and through back out to an XT90. And because it used to have a port back here, which you could actually like put batteries in series with the internal batteries, so it was actually running on 48 volts, which is really weird that it can take 24 volts and 48 volts. But it's just going to run on 24 volts. So XT90 going to this thing, XT90 anti-spark, and not quite a fan of these, though of course this is like 8 gauge or 6 gauge, can't quite tell, but it just barely fits. It's very snug, and it may have been pushed over to the side, so it's not able to get pushed on. I might have to use a hammer or something. But anyway, so this one was the original connection. This one I had to modify because this is literally just a short little stub. And this is the ring terminals to the battery. Focus on stuff. There you go. And what I did is I got this 10 gauge to that, wrapped it around with some copper wire, and then soldered it together, which was definitely a little bit much to be doing with the TS100. I had to use the heat gun on that. So I do have another soldering iron, one of the pistol irons, but didn't feel like bringing that out. So I'm gonna get you mobile. So that all comes down to these guys. So these are some Duracell DC12-35J. So 35 amp hours, 12 volts, AGM, and these came out of my mom's old power chair. She's, has trouble walking around for long distances, so when she goes outside, she uses a power chair. But that old one, the gears started breaking up, so we got her a new one, which uses different batteries. So I was like, nope, we're keeping these batteries and getting rid of the chair. So got the M8S going on here, giving it a charge up. This isn't the full charge because it actually cut out in the middle. I'll probably talk about that when I'm explaining what this is. unless I've done that already. Not quite sure the order of these videos. But anyway, so I've got another piece here to connect them in series. And it even has like an Anderson's tile single pole connection. But yeah, so those are going to go external to the UPS there with the XT90. And yeah, so this is going to be a UPS for my grandma, because recently she's been having big fluctuations in power. So gonna get her a UPS. She doesn't really need, 840 watt hours or more, which these will provide, but oh well. It's what I've got. They'll be put to use. So one unfortunate thing happened. I don't know if you spied it, but my DP30V5A is no longer on the power hub. This guy's just unplugged. Yeah. I'm gonna get you back on the tripod. Alright, back on the tripod. And, well, this guy is a bit smelly. I don't know if you can see that there, and the bottom left trace going to it is a little bit burnt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the reverse polarity protection diode, which sort of did its job, but it still doesn't output any voltage, so I think it's dead. So it's unfortunate, but yeah, I was trying to charge the other battery as I was, charge testing the other one on the M8S. So it was dark, I was holding a flashlight, and I got the polarity mixed up on a 35 amp hour lead acid battery, and it started smoking. But I might replace it with the extra DPS 5005, and I might be getting a new one. I might actually replace the DPS 3012 for the 5020. Maybe. No guarantees. But yeah. So yeah, that's what I've got going on. I am working on another bigger project, but that'll have to wait. This one is going to Grandma's this weekend, so I guess I better make the video before it's permanently installed at her house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, be safe, and see you in the next video.